So today we are going to take a closer look at the derivative of e to the power of f of x. We call this an exponential function. So how do we differentiate e to the power of a certain function? The process is very simple, straightforward, and quite interesting by the end of the day. So for us to find this derivative, what we have to do, the first thing that we need to do, we need to find the derivative of f of x, right? Once we get the derivative of f of x, we multiply that result by that function that we were differentiating, which is e to the power of f of x. Okay, so you find the derivative of f of x. After getting the derivative of f of x, then you multiply that result by the function that we differentiating, which is e to the power of f of x. So bear in mind that here if you find the derivative of f of x, this is just to say you're finding f of x prime. So once you get that f of x prime, you multiply by e to the power of f of x. Okay, let me reinforce this concept further by means of an example. So I'm going to provide an example here. So on this example, let's try to find the derivative of um, let's try to find the derivative of say e to the power of sin x. Okay, how are we going to calculate the derivative of e to the power of sin x? The derivative of e to the power of sin x is equivalent to the first thing, like I said, this is e to the power of a certain function. So for you to differentiate this, the first thing that you have to do, differentiate the power. And our power here is sin x. And we know that the derivative of sin x is going to give us cosine of x. But the first thing we have to write down the derivative of sin x times e to the power of sin x. So what we mean here, we're trying to say that we have to differentiate the power and get the result, and we take that result and multiply by e to the power of sin x. So the derivative of sin x in this case is going to give us cosine of x, right? Times e to the power of sin x. This is our solution. Quite interesting. Let's reinforce this concept further, probably by means of another example. What if we want to find the derivative of e to the power of ln of x? So um, um, let me put 2x. What if you want to find the derivative of e to the power of ln of 2x? Okay, the first thing that we have to do, we need to differentiate the the, the power. So we need to start by finding the derivative of ln of 2x, right? Once we get the derivative of ln of 2x, we then multiply by the result by e to the power of ln of 2x. So what's the derivative of ln of 2x? Get this in mind that we looked at the derivative of ln of f of x in the other chapter. And we say the derivative of ln of f of x is basically equivalent to the derivative of f of x divided by f of x. So in this case, if you want to find the derivative of ln of 2x, what we basically need to do, we need to find 2x, the derivative of 2x first, which is going to give us 2, and we divide by 2x, and this can be simplified to 1 over x. So here, the derivative of ln of 2x is going to give us 1 over x. So we multiply that 1 over x by e to the power ln of 2x. But you also to bear this in mind that e to the power of ln of f of x is basically equivalent to f of x. So if you also say e to the power of ln of 2x, straight away is also the same as 2x. Okay, so having this in mind, we can also rewrite our answer as 1 over x times 2x. And if you simplify this further, you can see that you ended up with 2 after cancelling this x variable. So by the end of the day, the solution is 2. Okay, so so you can also see that we should have gotten the point of getting the same result if we have simply said question number 2 is also using the result here, the result we got here. If we use this result, you can also say this is the same as to say the derivative of e to the power ln of 2x is simply to say the derivative of 2x. And the derivative of 2x straight away is 2. Okay, hopefully you understand um, how we differentiate an exponential function. So yes, if we differentiate e to the power of f of x, this is the result that we get. As we see here, on the derivative of e to the power of sin x, we differentiated the power and got cosine of x and multiply by that function. And here on the derivative of e to the power of ln of 2x, the first thing we did was to differentiate ln of 2x, and that result that we got, we multiply again by this result until we simplify and get 2. So yeah, that's how we differentiate exponential functions. Awesome.